Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got 40 grammar puzzle quiz that's both fun and educational. Ready to challenge your brain? Let's dive in. 1. Correct form of the verb, she. To the market yesterday. Went. Tips, went is used with yesterday in past tense. 2. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like pizza. Tips, use doesn't for third person singular. 3. Fill in the gap. They. Going to the park tomorrow. Are. Tips, are is used with plural nouns in future tense. 4. Choose the sentence with the correct usage of there. There is a book on the table. Tips, there shows place, there shows possession. 5. I want to go to the party. I have a lot of work. But. Tips, but connects contrasting ideas. 6. Which sentence is correct? They were playing football. Tips, were is used with plural subjects in past continuous. 7. Choose the correct sentence. I can hardly wait. Tips, hardly is negative, so can hardly wait is correct. 8. Choose the correct sentence. I will study for the exam. Tips, use the base verb after will. 9. Which sentence is correct? The students studied in the library. Tips, the past of study is studied. 10. Which sentence is correct? She was walking to the market. Tips, past continuous describes actions happening in the past. 11. Choose the correct sentence. He is coming to the party. Tips, use is for third person singular. 12. Which sentence uses fewer correctly? I have fewer books than you. Tips, fewer is for countable nouns. 13. Which sentence is correct? She can speak 3 languages. Tips, can is followed by the base verb. 14. Select the correct sentence. She doesn't like pizza. Tips, use doesn't with singular third person subjects. 15th. Choose the sentence with the correct word order. I went to the market. Tips: the subject usually comes before the verb. 16. Correct preposition: she is interested. Learning languages. In. Tips: use interested in to talk about preferences. 17. Select the correct sentence. The dog runs fast. Tips: add s to the verb for singular present subjects. 18. What is the correct plural of box? Boxes. Tips: the plural of box is boxes. 19. Select the correct passive voice sentence. The cake was eaten by him. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 20. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't want to come. Tips: use doesn't in the base verb with third person singular. 21. Select the sentence with the correct punctuation. I love traveling to Paris. Tips: punctuation clarifies meaning and structure. 22. Select the correct sentence. He will read the book. Tips: will is followed by the base verb in future tense. 23. Choose the correct sentence. She didn't go to the party. Tips: use the base verb after didn't. 24. Identify the correct sentence. The team has won the match. Tips: collective nouns like team take singular verbs. 25. Choose the correct sentence. They are going to the party tonight. Tips: going is part of the present continuous. 26. Choose the correct sentence. He enjoys playing football. Tips: after enjoy, use the gerund form. 27. What is the opposite of cold? Hot. Tips: hot is the opposite of cold. 28. They. A new car last month. Bought. Tips: use simple past for completed actions. 29. She is. Interesting person. Un. Tips: use in before words starting with a vowel sound. 30. The movie was boring that I fell asleep. So. Tips: use so before an adjective for cause and effect. 31. I don't know. To do. What? Tips. What asks about a thing or action? 32. She is the of the two sisters. Taller. Tips. Use the comparative form to compare two things. 33. You like some coffee? Would. Tips. Use would for polite offers. 34. He is good. Playing the piano. At. Tips. Use it with good for skill areas. 35. I wish I more time to travel. Had. Tips. Had shows an unreal present wish. 36. She is looking forward to the party. Attending. Tips. Use the gerund after looking forward to. 37. The book on the table is mine. Is. Tips. Use is for singular subjects. 38. If I would apologize. Were. Tips. Use were for unreal conditionals. 39. She told me she been to that museum before. Had. Tips. Past perfect shows an action before another past action. 40. Use the correct verb. She to the store every Saturday. Goes. Tips. Pay attention to subject-verb agreement. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting grammar puzzles. Keep learning, and see you next time.